Hi guys, here's a quick demonstration on replacing a zip on a young lady's boot. It's a common problem for men's and ladies. Uh, we replace zips frequently on bags, jackets, boots, zips, shoes. Look, this zip is actually knackered. Zip puller holder's broken. I'll just show you a very quick way of replacing this zip. Sometimes you can take the insole out, helps out a bit. Look, I've done this quite a few times, so we know what burns and what doesn't burn, but it's always best to singe the edges. These Singer sewing machines, it's called a post machine. They were designed for stitching shoes, albeit it was all done before the soles went on. With the wheel, they're designed to stitch very closely to the edge of the leather, simultaneously putting linings underneath, and they can have an attachment fitted that as you stitch near the edge, it trims the lining off. This particular boot has a few things wrong with it. Even the linings come apart. I might just go over that in a sec, but with a little bit of heat you can actually just get rid of all the frayed edges. Anyway, get yourself a replacement zip. First of all, what I do is fold over the top part of the zip and just secure it in position. It's like you don't want these flaps on this side. They're going to go here eventually, like that, as it was. Size up where it was. Keep it about ½ inch down below. This is a plastic zip. You can get metal zips, but this one will do for this job. So the zip doesn't come apart at the bottom. I'm giving it a plastic backing. It secures it at the bottom there. Okay. Also, we'll add a zip guard to this. Doesn't matter how nice this stitching looks, because you're not going to see it. zip guard basically is when you pull your zip up and down, the zip doesn't catch your skin. Anyway, then it's just a case of go slowly over the zip at the bottom. Lock it. Open your zip. Just going into the same stitching as was there before, just inside it. As I said before, I'll go over the lining, so just to help this boot out, you can again just go over it, burn off the excess. All your little cottons. The zip guard is here, protecting. That's it. There are two ways of doing this. You can either sit here with a very sharp blade and be very careful and undo all the original stitching so you can release the lining from the underneath, and then you can reinsert the zip as it was from day one when it was born. But I assure you, for a repair, you know, that's as good as new. No one's ever going to look down and say, oh, there's an extra thread there, an extra stitch. It does the job. Anyway, thought I'd just share that with you. Anyway guys, if you like, want to ask any questions, feel free to do so. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe.